Trần Đại Sương. I am studying robotics and artificial intelligence at University of Industry. I start studying here in September last year. Here I learned many things, such as teamwork, presentation, and communication skill. It helped me to prove lips lips skill and develop in maybe find maybe find the job I disable the trainer I have experience in I being away from home and feeling feeling only expensive or to get so uh, I have to try harder and maybe a lot of money. I think I like most is peacefulness and landscape very beautiful in Ghana. Thank you for listening.